This is a demonstration video of our new Mazak 350M lathe with live tooling. For time constraints, we sped the video up to 2 times to shorten the video. Here we are simply just facing and turning the blank. It's 901 nylon. This is just a finish pass. And the part that we're making here is just something we came up with to demonstrate the capabilities. It's not an actual part for a customer. Here we're using the live tooling and an end mill to counterbore a pocket in the face of the part. Now we're going to mill a square hole with some slots in the bottom of it. Those were the slots. Now we're going to the square portion of it. Now we're switching over to a drill bit. We're going to drill and tap a series of 5 holes in the face of this. The reason the tool is moving in and out, it's called a pecking cycle. This prevents long chips from building up and wrapping around the tool. Also helps it from melting to the sides of the hole as it's drilling. The lathe has the capability of indexing like a mill on the chuck. The rest of our lathes do not have this capability, and it also has the tools that we can power and turn. Now here we're tapping these holes that we just drilled. Now we're going to switch over to an end mill. The operator is going to clear the chips first. Now we're going to mill some clutch teeth on the face of the part. The end mill takes a roughing pass on the tooth and comes back with a second finish pass. It gives the part a better finish and more accurate part. And next it's going to clear the swarf out between the clutch teeth that was left over. And now we're going to switch to a spot face end mill. Just put a small spot face on the top of each clutch tooth. And we're going to switch back to another drill bit and drill a cross hole down to the tap hole. Here's the part off the machine in a close-up of the drawing. This part took about 7 minutes complete cycle time. Had we done this on a manual lathe and mill, we would probably have been looking somewhere around 6 to 8 hours worth of manual labor.